Hi everyone, it's Robin. For dessert tonight, I made black sesame chocolate loaf. It's divine. I'll show you how to make it.
Let's begin by toasting up the black sesame seeds. It only takes a few minutes and then they'll start to jump out of the pan. Then process into a fine powder, set that aside for later. Melt 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. I just use the microwave in 20-second intervals. You can use a double boiler if you choose to. Beat 2 eggs. And then take 2 sticks of butter. That's 1 cup of unsalted butter. Add light brown sugar and only a half cup of the sesame seed powder that you made. Cream that together. By the way, those sesame seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. I love it, and the extra calcium you get from those. Then you add the eggs and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Fold in that melted chocolate. And by now you have your oven preheating to 375 degrees. Let's make the dry mixture. We'll start with the 1 teaspoon of baking soda and pound out any lumps that you see, and then add all-purpose flour and whisk that together. You're going to add the flour alternating with black coffee, 1/4 cup at a time. Now, if you don't have black coffee on hand, there's some people who don't, and that's perfectly fine. You can just use water. So alternate folding in the flour and the coffee until you get it all mixed together. And here I have a Pullman style loaf pan. It's got high edges on it. Now, if you don't have a tall loaf pan, use a regular loaf pan. Just make sure you leave 1 inch clear at the top. You don't want any accidents to happen. Bake for 30 minutes at 375, then turn it down to 325. Now there you go. It's got a crunchy top. It will fall a little bit, and after it's cooled, I inverted it. And then so you've got a crunchy bottom to the squidgy cake, and I've got the sesame whipped cream on top. I love it, you guys. My husband loved it with coconut ice cream. Yum. It's divine. I hope you give it a try. Now I'm going to cut some up just to show you how dense it is, and it's even better the next day. Loving it. See you next time, you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This is James T. We got him on New Year's Day. He's getting so big. Have a great day, everyone.